Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay children, again Rakesh and his grandfather converse about the different kinds of houses. Shall we see now? Okay dears, listen. Rakesh and his grandfather again conversed. Okay, Rakesh said, Nana, there are so many kinds of houses here. Look at this house, Nana. Then grandfather said, yes Rakesh, houses can be different kinds of houses. See, this is bungalow. Okay, so the bungalow with the garden where one family can live. Okay, the bungalow with the garden where one family can live. See the next one. Next one is a traditional house. Okay, the next one is a traditional home. Children, you know one thing, the towns are smaller in size than cities. A city is a large or important town. So we might find a lot of apartment and big building in the city. In towns, we might find a lot of traditional homes. There are large area of open spaces as well. So we might also find a lot of greenery in towns. Okay children. So we might a lot of traditional home, the large area spaces, and we might also find a lot of greenery in town. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is the apartment. Okay, apartment. I hope everyone know about the apartment. Whereas you will find that many peoples in city and towns live in multi-storied apartment. Okay. So an apartment building is a collection of several houses built one top for the another. Okay, one top for the others. So one apartment can provide home for the multiple families, provided that many houses built in that apartment. Okay children, apartment is nothing but can provide home for the multiple family, provided that many houses are built in that apartment. Okay. So what is the spelling for the apartment? Apartment, A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, apartment. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Next one is an igloo. Okay, igloo is a nothing but children, and igloo is also called a house. It's made of huge blocks of ice. Okay, it's made of huge blocks of ice, and it is rounded at the top. Okay, it is rounded at the top. And one important thing, Eskimos lives in igloos. Okay, Eskimos lives in igloos. They are found in places where there is a heavy snow throughout the year. These are found in places where there is heavy snow throughout the year. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Next one is the wood house. Okay. Next one is the wood house. A stilt house is built above the ground in an area where it rains a lot. Okay, where it rains a lot. This house is made of wood only and standard on the lake above the ground. Okay, the house is made of wood and standard on lake above the ground. Above the ground. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Next one house is the boat house. Okay, boat house is also called the house. Children, some people lives in house boat. Okay, some people live in houseboat that flows on the water. It helps them move from one place to another place easily. Okay, shall we move to the next one? The last one, mud house. Okay, mud house. So in some hot countries, if some hot countries, people live in houses made of mud only. Okay, mud, straw and leaf. So the building material tend to keep the house cool. Okay, the building material tend to keep the house cool because their country is very hot, no. So the people live in the houses made of mud, straw and leaves. The building material tend to keep the house cool. Okay. So okay children, I hope everyone understood about the different kinds of houses. Yes. Okay, now we are going to do one activity. Quickly take your EVS Studio, page number 72, activity number 5.6. Shall we do this activity? Okay, children listen. The following are some examples of houses in the town and a city. Observe them and help Rakesh identify difference between them. Children, see these two pictures. Okay, see these two pictures. What are the difference between these two pictures? Can you identify the difference between them? Yeah, very good. The first picture is a townhouse. The second picture is a city home. The first picture is a townhouse. The second picture is a city house. In the townhouse, space is available, natural things are available, and eco-friendly also. See the second picture. This is a townhouse, no? Sorry, this is a city house, no? So, what are the difference between this house? Very good. Only less space, less natural things, and not eco-friendly. Okay. So, children, see these two pictures. What are the difference between these two pictures? In this house, space available, but in this house, not like the space available. Okay, only less space only. Then this picture, this house, natural things are available, but city house, only less natural thing. Then town house, eco-friendly, but city house is not eco-friendly. Okay, children, you want to add more point, you can write in the blanks. Okay, you can write in the blanks. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, take page number 73 in your EVS Studio and activity number 5.7. It is a very interesting activity dear. Shall we do this one? See the Roman, match each picture to its description by drawing a line. Okay, description by the drawing a line. Children, see the pictures. Okay, see the picture. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? You can match it. Okay, which one is the correct answer? You can match it. Shall we do this activity? See the first picture. See the first house. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. These houses are built one on top of another. Okay. So, this house are built one on top of another. Yeah, very good. Shall we move to the next one? Second one. See the second house. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. This is a single house with the garden. Okay, this is a single house with the garden. See the picture. This is a single house. No. So, single house with the garden. So, this one is the correct answer. See the third picture. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. So, this one is the correct answer. So, this house is the wooden house. So, stand on legs above the ground. Okay, this house is the wooden house, stands on leg above the ground. See the picture, stand on legs above the ground. Okay, see the next house. Yeah, this is the boat house, no? So, the boat house, the floats on the water. Okay, the boat house float on the water. See the next house, what it is? Yeah, very good. This is the mud house. So, this house is made of mud. This house is made of mud. Okay. So, this is the apartment. This is a single house, traditional house like that. The next one is the wooden house. The next picture is the boat house. Then last picture is the mud house. Okay. Okay, children. I hope everyone done this activity. Clap yourself. Very good. Clap, clap. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, children. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay. Take page number 74. Okay, quickly take page number 74 in your EVS Studio. Activity number 5.8. Okay, activity number 5.8. See, this is your favorite activity, drawing activity, dears. So, draw a house that you would like to live in. Here you can draw your favorite house. What kind of house you would like to live in, you can draw here, and after the drawing you can write the answer here. What are the questions they are given here? How many doors would you want to in your house? So write the numbers. And how many windows would you want to in your house? So write the numbers. Okay, so if you want to 5 doors, 6 doors, something like that, so that is your wish. Then how many windows, also like the same thing, how many windows you want, you write the number here. Okay children, so shall we move to the next one? Yeah, see again the Rakesh and his grandfather both are conversed here. Okay, shall we see now? Rakesh, see Rakesh said, "Look Nana, there are so many people working to build a single house." Grandfather said, "Yes Rakesh, a house needs many things like walls, electricity, water pipe and so on. Different people work on each of these needs." Okay, so the number of rooms, doors and windows built into the house have to be planned before we start building a house. This planning is done by the architect. Okay, this planning is done by the architect. So the architect is the one who make the drawing or the plan of the house. This is what a plan of the house look like. Okay, so children, see the picture. See the picture here, this picture, the architect only who make a drawing, the plan of the houses. This is the kitchen, this is a toilet, this is a hall, this is a bedroom. So the architect only is the one who make a drawing or the plan of the house. That is the plan of the house look like this only. Okay, so the finally the Rakesh understood about the concept of the houses. Then again grandfather said, "Remember what we discussed about the door and window." What we discussed about the door and windows, it is a very important to have the door and windows your house. Yes, without door and windows we can live easily? No. Okay, we get irritation. No. So this help the movement of air around the house and help the breathe well. Okay, without windows and door we can't breathe well easily, so it is a must important. So grandfather explained to the Rakesh. Then Rakesh said, "Yes Nana, there will also be the lot of sunlight in the room." Okay children, see the activity number 5.9. How will you feel if you had to live in a house with no windows and the door remain the shut all the times? How you feel without windows and door, okay, in your house? How you feel? Yeah, very good. We will be feeling very irritation because of no ventilation. Yes, we feel very irritation because of no ventilation. So ventilation is possible only door and windows are available. Okay, so ventilation is possible only door and windows are available. Then again grandfather asked, "Your houses can also get dusty, so it is important keep the house clean as you can." Okay, the cleaning thing is a very good habit. So the grandfather explained to the Rakesh, we have to maintain the house. To house already get dusty, it is important to keep the house very clean. Okay, children, here draw a plan of your house. Okay, activity number 5A in your EVS companion, page number 15. Draw a plan of your home. Draw a plan of your home. So children, complete has the home task. Okay, complete as a home task. You can draw your wishes and your own idea. Okay, so complete as a home task this activity number 5A and page number 15. Okay, in your EVS companion. So activity number 5.10, take your EVS studio. Take your EVS studio dears, page number page number 76. Shall we do this activity now? Yeah, we may use different tools to clean the room. Look at the picture on the left. Draw a line to match them. Which the correct cleaning tool? Okay, which the correct cleaning tool? Children, see this picture. Which one is the correct answer? You can match it. Okay, which one is the correct answer? You can match it. Shall we do this activity? Okay, see the first picture. See the first picture. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct tool? Correct cleaning tool? This picture. Yeah, very good. So, mop is the correct answer. Okay, we can use a mop from this the first picture. See the second picture. Which one is the correct answer? Full of dust here. So, we can use a broom. Okay, first picture we can use a mop. Okay, first picture we can use the mop. Second picture we can use a broom. See the third picture. Which one we can use? Yeah, very good. Third picture we can use the duster. Full of dust here, no? See the picture, full of dust here, no? So we can use the duster. Duster. Okay. See the last one. Which one we can use for the cleaning? Yeah, very good. Toilet brush. Okay. So this is the restroom, no? So we can use a toilet brush. So, okay children, I hope everyone done this activity. Very good. Super. Clap yourself. Okay. Okay children, again grandfather and Rakesh converse here. Grandfather said to the Rakesh, Rakesh, you have now seen different type of houses and learn how to keep our houses clean. Are you ready to take up the project for your school? Then Rakesh said, yes Nana, I am ready. So children, I hope like Rakesh, you also understood about the concept. What is mean by house? We have the two types of house. One is a permanent house and another one is a temporary house. And we see the many different kinds of houses: bungalow, apartment, igloo, mud house, and many houses, so on. So, okay children, I hope everyone understood about this concept. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, avoid junk food. Okay, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Okay children, thank you so much.